Hey, come on in. Welcome to the Slater.
Thank you.
Hope you're ready to go back to the 90s.
As always, ready to go back to the 90s.
Right? But yeah, welcome. This is my 90s kid Airbnb. I wanted to make an Airbnb that would just be so nostalgic and just take you back to your childhood. And so that's what this is. But yeah. So this is the living room. And in here, my wife hand painted the wall to look like the intro from Saved by the Bell. Got beanbags, got a pretty sweet VHS collection, Nintendo 64, TGIF. Come on in. Got Marge. And then here we got the Max. The fun place to eat breakfast, eat your morning cereal. Show you the bedrooms. Show you the ladies' room first. So, here's the girls' room. Girls go crazy for the clear phone.
Yes.
It's very, very popular detail. Which I think it's really cool looking too.
New kids. Oh, the Lion King
Oh
backpack.
yeah. Yeah, in here you got your TV with your VHS player too. I'll show you the boys' room.
Does the phone work?
No, the phone does not work. But yeah, this is the boys' room, which is sort of a recreation of my old bedroom, except it's probably even more fun. Here's Testarossa poster.
Very cool.
Got Dream Team, Looney Tunes. We got Super Nintendo. We got a pretty sweet Super Nintendo. Street Fighter, Ninja Turtles in time. The Lazy Eye poster.
It's great. So cool.
Oh, let me show you the backyard. And here we always have it stocked with cereal for our guests.
Oh god, I just got a peek of the backyard through the window.
Yeah, one of my favorite pieces is back here. Big Officer Big Mac.
That is epic.
That's super rare. I'm sure you remember climbing in that as a kid.
Funny. Even the walls painted perfectly.
Oh yeah.